Hello, good people. Welcome to another tutorial today. So today we are going to learn about on how to uh, convert or change our old document into a new document. So we are just going to format. Maybe you have an old document that you want to be able to change it and be able to use it in the future. So let's say, as you can be able to see, this is one of the page of a book that I just took a photo of it. And this is what we are going to edit today, just to ensure we are able to also to change the format and be able to change how the documents look like, because it looks a little bit old and used. So if you have some of your documents that you feel that they're in hard copies, but you don't know how to go about them to ensure that they become a little bit new again or recycled again in the system, and be able to file them properly, then this is the way you can be able to go about it. So let us dig in and see on how we can be able to do this. So we are going to open our Word document. So you open the Word document or Word file or application. Once you open the Word application, then we insert our image of the document. So you navigate to where is saved. Okay. Sorry for that. But we need to navigate and be able to get the right file for our videos. Where we have saved it. I've saved it somewhere, but I need to navigate and get it. Yeah, so here we go. So this is where the project is. The file is, you take it. I just took a picture of the document or the part of the page of the book that I was reading. It's a book called Take My Life by Michael Griffiths. So I want to change this page into a new document for maybe for my future reference, because I don't want that background color. I want it to look new, as if it has been typed, or it has been printed, or it has been uh, typed today. So once that is done, we ensure we enlarge it properly. It is enlarged properly. Once the document is aligned properly, so what we do, we click on the format shape, click on that. Once it was open, click on image icon, then correct the image by increasing the sharpness to 50%. We can change that to 50%. So we can change that sharpness to 50%. Then we change the brightness to 75%. Then we change the contrast to 25%. So if you can be able to see, already we are done. We are done with the background. You can see it is now good. And this is how you can be able to change your or the old document into a new document using Word. So you see, it looks nice. So you can save this as a PDF. We can change this as a PDF. We can save it. Let's say test. Then we change the type to PDF. Then we save it. Once we save it, perfect. This is now, it will open in PDF format. Yes. How does it looks? It looks perfect. So that's how we can be able to convert our old document to new document in Word. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. Continue to give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and kindly, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much.